In this video, I'll explain how to transfer your Chase points to a travel partner. Now, just a heads up, because of certain restrictions, I can't show the exact internal screens, but listen carefully as I explain so you'll know exactly what to do and what to expect. So first, you'll need to log in your Chase account either through the website or the Chase mobile app. Once you're signed in, go to the Ultimate Rewards section. So this is where you manage your points. If you have more than one Chase card that earns points, you'll see them listed. And here, just pick the card you want to transfer points from. Now, next, look for that option that says transfer to a travel partners. So Chase has a several airline and hotel partners like United Airlines, Southwest, JetBlue, Marriott, Hyatt, and more. So click on that option and you'll see the full list of eligible partners. So choose a travel partner you want to transfer your points to. If it's your first time transferring, you'll need to link your loyalty account. So this means entering your frequent flyer or hotel loyalty number. So make sure the account name matches the name on your Chase card, otherwise the transfer won't go through. So once linked, enter the number of points you want to transfer. So keep in mind that most transfers need to be in increments of 1000 points. Also, transfers are usually final. You can't move them back into Chase once they're sent. After you confirm the points, will typically transfer instantly to your travel partner or travel partner account, though in some cases it can take up to 24 to 48 hours. Once the points appear, you can use them directly through the airline or hotel's booking system. And that's it. That's how you transfer Chase Point to a travel partner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.